Good morning. This is construction update for July 3rd. Got moved in the night of the 1st. Still have quite a few little projects to do. Today we have brick arriving for the parking area and entryway. So all of this will be brick pavers. Hopefully soon. Still waiting on PebbleTech for our pool. There's our powder room. And kitchen and living room. Still have some shelves that we're waiting on and some blinds to install. Of all the things that we lost, we don't have sconces right there for our entryway. This is the master bedroom wing. We're waiting on our glass partition for the indoor shower. Then our closets turned out to be big enough. We're still waiting for our dark out blinds for the bedroom, but it's been pretty nice waking up to the jungle light. We'll end up putting brick out here and also another retaining wall. We've got our outdoor shower there. And then this will be our surf bodega. I'm putting tile in that right now. And then to the south, we have Diane's Pilates studio. I think we'll end up doing a covered porch over here. Possibly put down some coralina and extend this a little bit. And we have a lot of planting to do. And she's got her office and some accessories there. This is our guest bath. We're waiting for the maracuyas to grow up and cover that trellis in a olive green for privacy. And then this is our guest bedroom here.